Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Poco C3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by tapping on this button here from the right. So hi again, and now let's move to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings, and here at the second place we have mirror front camera option. So by using this button we can easily turn it off, and another tap to turn it on again. So this is how to use this. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.